Step into the 2018 Kia Niro LX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 104 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, auto-shift manual transmission, Bluetooth, clock, and dash, daytime running lights and dust-sensing headlights. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.